Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's morning practice. We are going to be moving through a very short, stretchy yoga sequence to just open up the body, and then we're going to move into a gratitude meditation, which is one of my favorite ways to start the day. So when you're ready, we're going to just start today in a tabletop position. So we're going to just start the practice in a tabletop position, so onto all fours, hands under the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, fingers are spread nice and wide. And then we're going to start very simply. So on your next inhale, go ahead and drop the belly, raise the gaze, just lift the chin towards the sky. And then exhale to round the upper back, draw the chin to the chest. Again, like that, inhale, drop the belly, raise the gaze. And then exhale to round the upper back, chin to chest. Nice. And then just continue to move through these cat and cow movements in your own time with your own breath. Maybe you stay traditional. Maybe you add in some other movements, just wiggling through the hips, maybe through the shoulders. Maybe even close the eyes and just really feel into your body. Feel the enjoyment of these morning stretches, the reawakening. Lovely. And then whenever you feel ready, come back to your tabletop position. Tuck your toes under and then just walk the hands towards the knees as you sit the bum on towards the heels. Sit up nice and tall, just draw the shoulders down and away. And then take a big inhale, reach the arms up to the sky. And then big sigh as you exhale, the hands down by your sides. 2 more like that. Inhale, arms up. And then big sigh. 1 more time, inhale. Lovely. Take the hands forwards. Keep the toes tucked under and then lift the knees and the hips up. Come into a moment of down dog. Same as before, just take any movements here. Maybe bicycling the legs, bending the knees, shaking the hips. Just again, just loosening up, enjoying these morning wake-up movements. Beautiful. And then finding stillness. Relax the shoulders, relax the ankles. Let's take a big breath in together. And a big sigh. Lovely. Inhale, look forwards. Exhale, step the right foot between the hands and then drop the left knee towards the mat. Draw the chest forwards, just get into the left hip flexor, into the thighs and the hips. Take a big breath in. And then exhale, begin to straighten that right leg. Walk the hands closer towards you into a half split. It's early, the right knee might be bent, that's okay. And then we're going to just do that twice more. So on an inhale, bend the right knee, chin draws forwards. Exhale, straighten the right leg, fold it forwards. 1 more time, inhale, bend the right knee, lift the chest. And then exhale, straighten the right leg, this time just holding your half splits for a moment. Big breath in. And big breath out. Lovely. From there, inhale, lift the gaze. Take your right hand next to your left hand, so it's towards the big toe edge of the foot. Walk the hands towards the left and then turn your left toes towards the right. From there, inhale, rise up, coming into this gate pose variation. Take a big inhale, look towards the right hand. And then exhale, right hand to right shin or thigh, left arm reaches over. Just finding a side body stretch through the left side body. Big breath in. And big breath out. Lovely. Inhale, come back up, arms to a T. This time look to the left, back of the mat, and then exhale, cartwheel the hands down to face the back of the mat. Lift your right toes up and then step back to a high plank position. Take a big inhale, press through the hands. And then exhale, lower the knees, belly and chest all the way down to the mat. Come up onto the fingertips, create little tents with the hands, and then take the hands slightly wider. On an inhale, raise into this wide cobra, lift up, open the front body. And then exhale, slowly lower back down. Let's do that twice more. Inhale, rise to cobra. Exhale, slowly back down. One more time, inhale, rise to cobra. Exhale, slowly back down. Bring the hands flat underneath the shoulders, tuck your toes under. Inhale, press to tabletop position. And then exhale, lift the hips up, come into your downward facing dog. Take a big breath in. And a big let it go. Inhale, look forwards. Exhale, step the left foot forwards, drop the right knee down. Again, just draw the hips forwards, lift the chest into it, finding this low lunge. Big inhale here. And then exhale, begin to straighten the left leg to whatever degree it means for you as you fold into your half splits. Again, twice more. Inhale, bend the left knee, open the chest. Exhale, straighten into your half splits. One more time. Inhale, bend into it, open the throat. And then exhale, straighten the leg, this time just holding for a moment. Breathing in. And breathing out. Lovely. Inhale, look forwards. Take the left hand next to the right hand and then walk the hands towards the long edge of the mat. Turn your right toes towards the back and then turn the big toe edge of the left foot down. Inhale, arms come to a T. You're in your gate pose variation. Hips draw forwards. Take an inhale, look to the left hand. And then exhale, big side bend, left hand down, right arm reaches up and over. And again, just draw the hips to the right, big stretch, inhaling and exhaling. Lovely. Inhale, arms come to a T. Look to the front of the mat. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Turn the left heel off the floor. Inhale, step back to high plank. Exhale, drop the knees, lower all the way down to the mat. Untuck your toes. Inhale, keep the hands where they are this time as you inhale into a very simple cobra, lift the chest. And then exhale, push to the knees, tuck your toes and then lift your hips into your downward facing dog. Take a full breath in and a big sigh. Lovely. Inhale, look forwards. Begin to walk the feet towards the front of the mat, coming into just a simple ragdoll position. Feet about hip distance apart, just bend the knees, let the head hang heavy. Maybe sway a little bit from side to side. Beautiful. And then find stillness, find center. Inhale, lift the gaze, look forwards. Heel toe the feet about mat distance apart, heels on the mat, toes off the mat, and then begin to bend the knees, come down into your malasana, or your yogic squat. Again here, maybe you feel tight, that's okay, just have a wiggle around, just getting into the inner thighs. Lovely. And then however you need to, we're going to come to seated. So if you can, you're going to take the hands behind you and just slowly lower your bum down to the floor. Release the legs out long in front of you, flexing the feet, toes towards the face. Fingers come either side of the knees or the thighs as you inhale, lengthen. And then exhale, just a nice soft forward fold. Just bringing the forehead towards the shin bones, breathing in. And breathing out. Beautiful. Inhale, look forwards. Exhale, release the fold. Come into a cross-legged position of choice, or you can always sit kneeling. Just let the knees fall open and rest the hands onto the thighs or the knees and just grow nice and tall through the spine. Take an inhale, draw the shoulders to the ears. And then exhale, draw the shoulders down and back. Lovely. Let the eyes close or just take the gaze nice and low. Just take a moment to just check in with yourself, notice how you're feeling. And then slowly just bring your awareness and your attention to your breath. Let's just take a slow breath in. And a slow breath out. And just continue to breathe in and out. And we're going to move into our morning meditation. A meditation all about gratitude, starting our day feeling grateful for everything that we have. And of course, we can still work towards things and aspire towards things. But I truly believe that better things come when we're truly grateful and thankful for everything that we already have. So what are you thankful for? What is in your life that you can really show and feel that deep gratitude for? Maybe just start with your sense of physical self, your 5 senses, your taste, touch, smell, sight, hearing. And even if you're missing or lacking in one of those, maybe that's a lesson or something to be grateful for in itself. And then just thinking about where you are right now. Maybe you're in your house. Maybe you're in the garden or a park in the fresh air. Maybe you're on a yoga mat or just in the living room. But do you feel grateful for your surroundings, for where you are right now in this moment? And then just thinking and taking your awareness to the people in your life, your family, your friends, your community, the groups that you're involved in. All these people who touch your life in some way, some maybe more than others. But just take your awareness to those people. Maybe visualize their faces or think about their names. From those closest to you to those who you may only see very, very occasionally, and it's just a passing smile. And then bring your awareness to yourself, who you are as a person, your skills, your talents, your personality. What do you love most about yourself? What are the things that you embrace? Maybe it's quirky and unique, but it's you. Can you feel that sense of gratitude for all of those things, all of those skills and traits that make you who you are today? And then just take a couple of moments here to just reflect on these things. All of these things we thought about, just reflect on the amount of gratitude that you can feel for all these things that make up your life. And then just slowly begin to come back to your breath, just deepening the breath, taking in that deep sense of gratitude, of thankfulness, even of abundance. Let's together just take a slow breath in. Just gently open the mouth, let it go. Again, inhale. Exhale. And slowly from here, just bring your hands together into prayer position in front of the chest. Press the thumbs against the breastbone. Bow the forehead towards the fingertips. And just use this gesture as your gesture of gratitude. To thank yourself for this time that you've given to yourself, to your well-being today. And then take this gratitude with you off of the mat, out of this practice. Share it with your friends, those you love, those in your community. And always, always remember to come back to this practice whenever you need to start your day with that sense, that feeling of deep thankfulness for life. Let a big smile come across your face. And then when you're ready, just let the eyes flicker open. Release the hands on your knees or on your lap. Lift the chin back up. Let's take a full breath in. And a big sigh. Thank you so much for joining me for this short practice today. I hope you loved it, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have an amazing day full of gratitude and happiness and joy. And I will see you for another video again next week.